What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be attempting my first ever bass fishing challenge, and my challenge today is I'm going to try to catch 15 bass on 15 different lures in an hour. I got my phone. I'm going to set a timer, make sure this is legit. I got 5 moving baits, 5 like jig and soft plastic type baits, and 5 topwater baits. I'm going to go from moving to slow like jigging type baits to topwater. I've already got some of my rods rigged up with baits right now that I'm gonna start out with, but here's the rest of them. We got a spinner, we got a crankbait, a little swim jig, or I mean not a swim jig, a little swim bait, a jig, a stick bait, a little worm, a brush hog, a buzz bait, a frog, a whopper plopper, and then on my rods I got a jerk bait, a rattle trap, a big floating swim bait, which is also, I'm going to consider that topwater, and a spook. I think that's it. Oh, and a little creature bait. But I'm going to go ahead and get at it and see if we can't get 15 fish on 15 different baits in 1 hour. Alright guys, I'm about to start the timer. I'm going to put the phone on the seat, and every time I catch a fish I'm going to show you all the time, and then I'm going to switch baits as fast as possible. This is going to be hard because basically I'm going to have to catch a fish every 4 minutes and retie lures the entire time, and that takes some time. So hopefully I can do it. I don't have super high hopes. Hopefully I'm shooting for 10 at least. Hopefully I can get to the top waters, but let's go. Ready, set, go. Alright guys, oh, gotta get going, see if we can't get one on this first cast. Alright guys, get this fish quickly. Oh, there's one. Oh, didn't take long. 2 casts. There we go. Feels like a decent fish, at least out of the ones I've been catching out of this pond recently. Oh yeah, not bad at all. Nice little 2-3 pounder. Oh. There we go. Starting off strong. 2 cast in. Oh God, get the D-hookers. Oh God, some of these bass are gonna kill me. Oh crap, I snapped the hook off. All right, there we go guys. Nice, pushing 3 long fish. Go ahead and put him back. Beautiful fish, there he goes. All right, we're 1:30 in, that's 1 lure down. All right, crankbait's tied. 2 casts, 1 fish. Let's see if we can't get another one quickly. Crankbait's out. Oh, there's one. There we go. Oh, 4 casts, 2 fish. All right, we're off to a solid start. There we go. Oh, there we go, there we go. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, I got burned myself on the line. There we go, another nice fish. All right, there we go. Nice little 2 pounder. 2 fish down. Got time. 3 minutes, we're at 4 minutes. We're this rate we're gonna get 30 lures in an hour. Spinnerbait's tied on. Oh, I need a bunch of 1 or 2 cast lures. Some of these lures, if they start adding up time, it's gonna kill me. Oh God, one just hit it. Oh, dang. I got this on the wrong rod just because I'm trying to get through these baits so fast I can't retie everything. We have to put the spinnerbait down, come back to it. Oh, killing my time, killing my time. Where's the jerkbait? There it is. Ooh. I don't think this will take long. They love these hard baits in here. Oh, yeah, first cast. I knew that wouldn't take long. There you go. I saw him come up for it, too. Oh, he nailed it. Oh, all right. That'll make up for some time. Ooh. Oh. There we go. Number 3. 3 baits down. Ooh. Oh, timer 11:48. We're still on time. Swim bait tied on. Oh God, no! No, I needed that fish so bad. No. Oh. Come on. Hit it again. Another fish. Come on. Come on. Alright. Yeah, these fish just like things with a lot of action, and these more subtle presentations are just not doing the trick. I have to save this for the end. Oh. Alright. Let's see. I'll try to knock out this spook real quick. This should go easy. Yep, first cast. There we go. Oh no! No! Oh no! Oh, I needed that fish. There we go. Got one. Oh, don't come on. Oh. There we go. All right, 4th fish down. Time 24 minutes. Oh, we are way behind. Oh my God. Oh, let's see if we can't knock through these topwaters real quick. All right, whopper plopper. Doing well. Oh, no time to cut off the excess. Hopefully it doesn't affect it. Come on, first cast. Yes! Oh, there we go. Making up time. Let's go. Oh, good fish too. No! God, he came off. God, these missed fish are absolutely killing me. There we go. Can't lose this one. Oh, stay down. Get in the boat. Yes. All right. There we go. All right. Ooh. Got a hook good in the back. All right. Oh, there we go. All right. Bait number 5 down. There he goes. All right. All right, we're 32 minutes. Okay. Still possible. All right, buzz bait's tied on. Fix the hook. Oh, all right. We need a quick one here. Quick one. Come on, quick. No, God, I'll just miss fish. God damn. Putting the buzz bait on hold. We're running out of time. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this challenge, guys. Try some of these soft plastics. Maybe I can fly through these or something and have a chance at it. There we go. Got one on the on the jig, or not a jig, this little creature bait. 6 baits down. Running out of time. I don't think there's any way I'm gonna beat this challenge. Oh God, where'd my phone go? Oh, there it is. Oh. All right, 43 minutes. We got 15 or 17 minutes left to catch a lot of fish. But hopefully I can fly through these soft plastics. All they want is a really erratic moving bait. They aren't touching anything, going slow. So I'm literally just gonna rig this thing and just rip it through the water. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna rig it wacky like this. Alright, this is a very unorthodox style, but all they want is moving baits. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna rip this thing through the water like this. I'm done with this for now. See if we can't get the last 2 moving baits before this challenge ends. Oh, running out of time. I think I got like 5 minutes left. See if we can't get the spinner. Well, that's it for the challenge, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I did not complete it. I guess that's why they call it a challenge. I did get through 6 of the baits. Here's the ones I got through. I got through the jerk bait, the rattle trap, the crankbait, the whopper plopper, the spook, and this little jig. And then I missed one on the swim bait and the buzz bait, unfortunately. I probably should have switched out my lures when I wasn't having any luck a little bit faster. I tried to stick through them a little bit, and it just came around to bite me in the ass. But that's how it goes sometimes. Definitely want to try it again, so if y'all like that, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and appreciate the support, guys. See y'all next time. Peace.